My name is Linda Sosibo Mabece, aka Ibelebuci. I'm a skit maker and a father. But in my private life, I married, and there was a time where my singing was not working. But a lady came to me and said, ask me how, and ngambuza, and she introduced me to a portion called Mhlabaza Suze, aka Ingane Zilalani. That's why I'm a brand ambassador of Herbal Bex to help all men who have their singing not working.
Hayi bafowethu Herbal Bex iyasebenza mangiyana njengoba nibona-ke ngu-complaint and ingane ziyangifuna, so bengilo ngithola ama-complaints ukuthi ngimshaya udokotela embhedeni ajoyine i-Herbal Bex and ngingisankhozi. Hayi manje umuntu ngimshanami.
Echada, I'm a brand ambassador of Herbal Bex. Ingabe unomsila we-Barrett or u2-minute look? Simple, join us. SMS alivume to the number below or WhatsApp waphela umshado to the number below, we will call you back.
Kodwa bafowethu i-advice engizonika yona ukuthi i-Herbal Bex ungayisebenzisi mhlawumbe uma uzogeja. Ngake kwangehlela engageja angilalanga inkabi lokhu ithena.
The greener the color, the Herbal the thing. Join Herbal Bex now and have sex all night. Don't embarrass yourself or udlise i-team by doing 2 minutes thing ube yiqhudi. Join Herbal Bex now and enjoy pleasure all night. And please subscribe to the channel or else you won't get the thinking.